Let's dive into a question that seems simple at first but has a surprising amount of depth when you explore it. What is 7 times 8? The answer, of course, is 56, but there's so much more to discuss when we unpack this seemingly straightforward multiplication. First, let's start with the basics. Multiplication is one of the 4 fundamental operations in arithmetic, and it's essentially repeated addition. When you multiply 7 by 8, you are simply adding the number 7 to itself 8 times. 7 plus 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 7, which equals 56. This operation is part of what we call the times tables, specifically the 7 times table in this instance. Mastering times tables is crucial because they form the foundation for more advanced math. For many, learning multiplication tables can be a bit challenging, but there are tricks and patterns that make it easier. For example, to remember that 7 times 8 equals 56, you might use a mnemonic like 5, 6, 7, 8, which pairs the digits 56 with 7 and 8 in a memorable sequence. Another interesting aspect of multiplication is the commutative property, which tells us that the order in which you multiply numbers doesn't matter. Whether you calculate 7 times 8 or 8 times 7, the result is always 56. This symmetry can be a helpful mental shortcut when working with multiplication. If we look at the broader context, multiplication tables, including 7 times 8, are not just about memorizing facts. They are about understanding patterns and relationships in numbers. For example, the 7 times table has a rhythm to it: 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Notice how each result is just 7 more than the previous one. Recognizing these patterns can significantly aid in memorization and make math more intuitive. Multiplication also has practical applications everywhere in life. From calculating the total cost of multiple items to figuring out quantities in recipes, knowing that 7 times 8 equals 56 helps us navigate everyday tasks more efficiently. Now, consider the educational strategies for teaching and learning multiplication. There are many ways to approach it, from traditional rote memorization to using visual aids like multiplication charts, or even digital tools that turn learning into a game. Each method aims to make the process engaging and to reinforce the concept until it becomes second nature. In conclusion, while what is 7 times 8 might seem like a simple question, it opens the door to a deeper understanding of math and its relevance in our daily lives. Mastery of this basic multiplication fact not only helps with other math problems but also with problem-solving and critical thinking skills in general. So, the next time you think of 7 times 8, remember, it's more than just 56. It's a key building block in the fascinating world of mathematics. $.